When processing your files, you might be noticing that your raw file is a .nef, a .cr2, a .arw. Each of these are specific to your camera manufacturers. They all work great, and they have information in there. So if you are going to process your raw file, you might want to use the Canon, Nikon, Sony software to process it. Do you need to? No. We're going to be using the Bridge and Adobe Camera Raw. But let's say you got a brand new camera and Adobe Camera Raw doesn't support it. Sometimes it takes a minute for Adobe to get that into the system. You can convert any of your files into a DNG. It's a free converter. So if you have a brand new camera, that's one way to be able to open the files. Secondly, if you're working with older software, that's another way to use your new camera and an old piece of software. So convert it to DNG. Some cameras write directly as DNG files, Leica, Casio, Ricoh, Samsung, and Pentax. Why don't they all? Well, everyone has their own secret sauce. Adobe breaks it down and gives you the best of everything that it possibly can. Don't be afraid to try your specific or your camera-specific software. You might like it better. Personally, I use ACR.